What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. My camera bag is showing. Gonna go over our friend BTC as well as the DXY. DXY is dropping pretty hard right now. Not too much movement for BTC, which also signals that we're gonna correct because DXY is falling, Bitcoin's not pumping. So we're thinking at 30.4K. We're down 0.4 on the day. We're seeing market cap 591 billion, 24 hour volume 17.32 billion. So let's hop into the charts. Let's actually look at the DXY. So I think the DXY is putting in an LE wave triangle for the wave 4. So we came down in the wave 3, A, B, C, D, E in a 4. And now you would come down in a wave 5, break the wave 3 low. Descending triangle could take you all the way down to about 96. And as you can see, we are dropping rather swiftly here on the DXY. So Bitcoin's not moving too much, which shows weakness against the DXY, kind of dumping here. So I do think correction is coming. If the whales push the price up for one more liquidation to break these highs, I do think if that happened, that the likelihood of us coming down after that would be very high. We have completed a 5-wave move, so we can just drop from here. We may just be coming up to retest this trend line, see a rejection, and then see continuation to the downside. On the daily chart, our pullback zone is in between 26K and 27.9K. We are currently holding the 20 EMA, so do watch that. Money's flowing out, as you can see, as we're consolidating. The whales are taking their profits. Money's flowing out strongly on the daily, and we have a slight bearish divergence on the daily chart as well. So just keep that in mind. So we are looking for that wave 2 pullback. So DXY dropping quite hard and Bitcoin not showing strength, which obviously shows weakness for the bulls. So if we just get retested, rejected, we lose this low, then I would expect us to continue to come down. But if the whales are going to push the price up one more time, we have not completed the high. I think we would just push up to grab the liquidity, break these highs, and then see continuation down. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. We did just recently lock in a juicy gain on our Bitcoin trade. We're in 3 other trades right now. My signals are only 10 bucks a month. You can sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. This is where I do my trading. Up to 8K bonuses on Bitkit, up to 30,000 on Bybit. Check out my full link tutorials. Email me or sign up email for a free bonus. And yeah, 10 bucks a month for my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, HODL alt plays, Forex signals analysis as well. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All links are in the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.